So what is up, guys? Today I have a little bit of a special vehicle for you. Right now I am driving my friend's, this is a Toyota H100, but it is a custom made, and I believe this is the best Toyota Hiace in Sri Lanka right now. So this is a complete custom made Toyota H100. The biggest thing that you have to know about this, that it has a 1KZ engine. So if you know anything about the Toyota Hiace, you know that it comes with the 3L Toyota diesel engine. So for this, he has fitted the engine that comes to the Toyota Super Custom. So I'll talk about the horn later. So he has done a lot of things to this vehicle. It's not the standard LH113 that you normally get now. This used to be a base model DX variant of the vehicle. Now he has upgraded it to a custom super custom level, a super GL super custom level. It is a bit low because it is running on 18-inch and it is lowered as well with low profile tires. So let's talk about the vehicle. So he has done a complete done up for this vehicle. It's nothing you see inside is stock anymore. From the door cards, these are the Super GL doors. This is the Super Custom meter board. He even went towards to fit the, give me a minute, this is a little bit low, I have to be very careful. Right, we are clear. So he has even gone towards fixing the climate control unit from the Super Custom. Now this is, if you know anything about vehicles, it's not easy to fit a climate control unit to a non-climate control vehicle. So he has gone the full mile for this vehicle. So I'll talk you a little bit through what he has done. First, let's talk about the wheels. From the aesthetic point of view, the wheels are 18-inch BBS wheels. Am I right? Are they BBS? Yeah, they are BBS wheels. So they are 18-inch and they are running on low profile tires. And the car is, the van is lowered. I'm not technical enough to tell you how he has lowered the vehicle, but it is lowered. This is why we have to be very careful when you're going through bumps and stuff. And the rest, let's see. He has fitted electronic curtains for the rear door, for the rear boot lid. Also, that boot lid is a little bit special. It's not your average boot lid. It is auto magnetic locked. So it's what you call a soft close door. So I've seen soft close doors on the side doors, but I have never seen on the rear boot lid. So this is the first time I've seen a Toyota Hiace, the LH100 variant, with a soft close rear door. And for the side doors, they're actually automatic. Like you can actually control it through here. There's a button here that you can, this button I believe, that you can use to slide in and slide out the door, which I will put a clip right here over the video. You'll be able to see this right now, that it'll slide automatically, which is again not heard of for this DX variant of the LH113. So this is something special that he has done. And let's see, well, that biker. Also the front bumper, it is completely custom made. So if you see it, it is actually a super custom bumper that you get for the later models of the Toyota Hiace, something like a late 90s to early 2000 model of the Toyota Hiace Super Custom. So he has custom made it to fit to this car. Like, it's not an easy job to do that. It's a very, very hard job to do that, and he has gone out of his way to custom made that bumper to fit into this vehicle. And the front grille, he has opted with the Super GL variant from the early 90s. Am I right? Yeah, from the early 90s Super GL variant. So I will put a video of that somewhere. I think you saw that video already. So apart from that, if you notice, the wheels also have wheel arches, which is also custom made. Like those wheel arches you cannot find anywhere here. So he has custom made those wheel arches, and the fitment is superb. And then you have to talk about the rear wing. From the first video, I think you'll be able to see the rear wing on the video. The rear wing is also a special wing that's custom made in Japan. It's not made in Sri Lanka. Am I right? Yeah, so it's custom made in Japan. It's not an optional extra for the Hiace per se, but it's just a custom made wing. But it's not something that's made here. So there is also one plus point, like a one additional thing that he has done to the vehicle. The tail lights and everything are just normal. The headlights, they're all normal. The fog lights, same. But there's another small thing. He has fitted a front splitter. It's an electronic front splitter that goes in and out whenever you want. For example, this is a very lowered vehicle, so if you want the front splitter for aerodynamic reasons, if you want it, you can switch it on. But if you don't want it, like when you were going through one of those, like a speed bump or something, you can retract it. Right now it is retracted, I think. So I'll post a video of that as well as on the video. So the other things we have to talk about is the horn, actually. I'll wait till we go out of the town area first, and I will demonstrate how the horn works on this. He has fitted 3 horns to this van. It's not one, it's actually 3 horns, and there are 4 different tones that you can use on those 3 horns. Alright, so now we are in a little bit of a outside the town, as you heard. Now this is a Mitsubishi Arena horn. As you can see, if you press it, there's a fade effect for the horn, but you can actually switch it off as well with this button. You switch it off and it's just a normal horn right now. There's another one, you press this button and now it's a Bosch Europa. Alright, and then this is the party trick. There's another horn here. If I can find the switch, I think I found it, which is also a Mitsubishi horn. I think it's a bit of a trumpet kind of horn. I haven't seen the horn, but this sounds kind of nice as well. If you're in the city limits, if you don't want to alert the people too much, this is a really nice horn. So the thing is, I was talking to Muraj about the vehicle, and he said that the rear tail lights are actually custom made in Japan. They are not Sri Lankan tail lights, they are actually custom made in Japan. And the rear bumper also is a custom made here. He has made it with his help. And the side skirts are also from Japan, but he has custom made it to fit to this vehicle. I think it was made for the short wheelbase model, and he has made it possible to fit on the long wheelbase model on this vehicle. So that is also a little bit of a specialty, because that's why you have never seen this body kit in a LH113 before in Sri Lanka. This is done in Japan but not in Sri Lanka, and he's the first person to do this in Sri Lanka. Also, he told me about this, the interior room lamps. I cannot show it to you right now, but it has the dimming feature. Like when you close the door, it won't immediately switch off, it will dim it. So that is also a little bit of a specialty. And the engine, he has told me, is a 1999 upwards 1KZ engine. So it's a newer model of the 1KZ engine that comes with the ECT transmission for the automatic gearbox. If you know what ECT means, it has power mode. So it has, yeah, it has power mode and a normal mode. So obviously the power mode will consume a little more, but the thing is, not many people were able to make this ECT gearbox work here in Sri Lanka, and he has been able to do that. So this is a little bit of a special feature, because actually you can buy it. The thing is, you can buy it, but it's very hard to configure it to the vehicle to work. So he has done that part of the vehicle. So all the ECT stuff, everything works. It has automatic headlights. Like it's again for a DX vehicle, it's not that easy to install. So it has automatic headlights, which I will demonstrate. My friend will be like covering the sensor which triggers the automatic headlights, and you will see that the headlights start to work automatically when it's night time, which I cannot show you right. I mean, I cannot demonstrate right now because it's daytime. But yeah, those small stuff is really nice. Also, I don't know whether you can see from my side view mirror, there's an air vent for the side for the air filter system. Usually if you see any LH100 series vehicle, it's a flat mesh, like a flat grill there. So he has custom made that thing to suck in more air, and it's a completely custom small air vent. It's the small details. It's the small details that always matters. That more small details that always change the look of the vehicle. It's just small things that he has done which made this vehicle special. This, I don't know whether you can see that this is an original HKS turbo timer. You do need a turbo timer if you are using a turbocharged diesel engine. So yeah, little things that he has done that has made this vehicle just that little bit more special. Also, it has electric steering wheel adjustments, which I can show you, I think. Yeah, and it is also auto as well. Like it has memory. Like when you get in and out of the vehicle, it will remember what position it was. It has memory seats and memory column. The seats, I can yes, I'm driving, I forgot about that. So yeah, I can adjust that as well here with this switch. He has fitted the Super custom style mirrors, the retractable mirrors, because if you know, these comes with the big ass mirrors on the the road is not good. This comes with the big mirrors on the side. I think the auto headlight might work when we are going through this. I hope it works. While we are going through the tunnel. Oh, it did. So yeah, the auto headlights work like that. Also, this meter board is from a earlier Super Custom, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the
1996.
So this is the 1996 Super Custom meter board. The one that you get later is from the old manual dials, but the earlier versions got this beautiful digital meter cluster that, you know, just sets you back for the 80s and the 90s, the good old days when people made cars really interesting. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Is there anything you want to add, Muraj?
Yeah, no.
Right. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you watched the other video which Muraj was driving the vehicle. The normal sort of videos that we usually do. It's nothing like this. This vehicle was just so special. It's just so beautiful. I just love this van. I'm not a van person, but you know what? I'm gonna blast you with my horn. So I just love this vehicle so much. It's one of my favorite vans here in Sri Lanka. I like how much he has spent time on it. I like how much he has put so much effort on it. This is something really special. I really hope you like the video. If there's anything special like this, I will post again, and do tune in for more videos like this. Do like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.